Hey everyone, I'm here with your video tutorials, and today we are going to learn how to annotate digitally and upload to our web page using articles. This is an earth-friendly way of saving paper, and it's actually pretty fun. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is where you can go in order to save documents. The first thing, go to my Weebly page, and under 5th grade you'll see a list of articles. You can simply click on the Learn More button to see this article list. Any of these sites you should be able to save articles from, but I'm just going to try one out. And let's see, let's go to News ELA. And for most of them, in order to log in, all you have to have is a Google account. So you can use your Dodea at Google in order to log in. Once you're logged in, if you have a topic that you would like to search more about, you can use the search engine up top, or you can simply explore the different articles that are offered on the page. But I'm going to go ahead and search an article of interest, which would be Hurricane Florence. And you'll see several different ones pop up, but I'm going to go ahead and click this first one. And in order to annotate it, I'm going to print and save as. I'm not actually going to print it out onto paper, but I'm going to save the article into a folder. So if I click print, I can change my destination to a PDF by clicking Save as PDF. And for right now, I've created a folder for my literacy portfolio, and I'm going to save the article. Once I've saved the article, I can go to Annotate.comm. Again, you only have to have a Google account in order to log in, so I'm going to click Sign In. With my Google account. And it should pop up with this screen. Now you can choose any of the articles that you have saved on your computer or in your folders and add it to your workspace. So for this example, I'm going to name it Hurricane Florence. And it creates this folder where I can upload that document. As you can see, the document pops up on the right hand side as a clip, and you can double click on the link right here to open as a full article. Annotate.comm allows you to use the different tool settings. So for example, I'll choose freehand. If there's something that I want to underline and leave a note for, so for example, I can underline hurricane. What do I know about a hurricane? They have strong force winds. And then I can save that. My annotated notes are going to come up on the right hand side. You can actually move those annotated notes by clicking on View. They can go directly onto your text or underneath. You can hide those notes or can keep them as thumbnails. So I'm just going to move them onto my text. That way it's in an area where I can easily view it. Now in order to capture my annotated notes as evidence and upload it to my website, I'm going to use the snipping tool. And actually on my web page, I'm going to shrink it by pressing Control-, and using my snipping tool, I'm going to click New and highlight the area that I would like to select or save. This goes for all of your notes. Make sure to save your clipping, or your snipping rather, in a location that you can easily access. Okay. Now that I've saved my snipping annotated notes, I'm going to go to my web page and I'm going to upload this as an image. So I'm going to click on Image, Upload. And there you go. I can view my annotated notes directly on my screen. Make sure to publish your work when you are finished. And there you have it. That is how you can digitally annotate your notes.